grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, today, take a look at the top 100. Everything, essentially everything, is back in the green. So this means that if you bought anything in this top 100 yesterday, you would have been up already. Okay, we have a nice daily market update today. You're definitely going to want to watch to the end. I've got a nice batch of charts to show you that basically prove that there's really nothing to worry about, in my opinion. But this is how we're looking on the total altcoins, right? Shiba Inu is up. Shiba Inu's up. That's very interesting right there. Mana has also been just killing it, right? Yesterday, we hit that 423 on Mana. Absolutely insane. So, before we get into anything, make sure you follow my Twitter right here. That's my username. Make sure you spell it correctly. Follow that Twitter, and I would highly appreciate that. Also, leave a like on the video, drop a subscribe, and turn the post notification bell on. So, take a look at this. We've got Immutable X entering the top 100 here and doing insane. So $7. I do like Immutable X. That definitely gets a stamp of approval from me. That's an amazing coin right there. Gasless NFT marketplace, I believe, or some kind of big NFT marketplace. The first layer 2. Yeah, gasless, 0 gas fees. Amazing right there. That's a great coin. But we basically have everything up. I was hoping Ethereum would actually go to like 3,500 so I could dump like all of my stable coins in there or something. But yeah, this is looking standard stuff, dude. Like, take a look at Bitcoin. So on the 12-hour, take a look at this short signal right here. I mean, you would have maybe entered like here. Like, I don't know when that flashed that signal, but that is insane right there. Okay, if you would have got in like right here, that would be 12% on that short. But I want to show you on the 1 hour on Market Cypher, we are printing a reversal. Okay, so these are pretty accurate usually. As you can see right here, we were sort of in an uptrend. Actually, that's a bad one, right? That's where Market Cypher was wrong right there. But let's see if we can find another one that was good. Right here, notice this is almost the same type of thing. Boom, we headed up. We're definitely in an uptrend right there. Flashed the blue reversal signal, and we came back down. So maybe this is on the 1 hour only, right? Oh, we do have one on the 45-minute as well. The 30-minute was here. We did kind of come back a little bit. But ultimately, dude, Bitcoin, we have a bunch of charts that we're going to go over here, showing you, I like the 2017 comparisons. I like this, okay? I really, really do like this. The reason I show these charts is because these people have been watching the macro, like watching the macro of what's happening to Bitcoin. Valerio says, look at all of these similarities. So I'm not going to zoom in. I don't think I can zoom in here. Yeah, the picture just gets smaller. But look at this. We got wave B high, okay? Boom. Wave B high in 2021. Like, it's almost every single thing here, but it's just shifted a couple, like we're a couple weeks ahead. We're a couple weeks ahead. Or no, it's happening like later, right? So, for example, lowest point in the RSI is happening on the 19th, and this potential wick to the 2 fib plus bullish hammer. Look at this. This happened on November 12th. Of 2017. The comparisons between 2017 are crazy, and we have CVO right here. This is one of the best. 4 hour chart, right? Wait, is this the 4 hour? I'm not sure, but it doesn't even matter. Look at November 9. This is in 2017. We come back and touch this level. So what these are, if you don't know, this is Fibonacci retracement. It's simply just levels, okay? It's just levels worked out by the golden ratio, blah, blah, blah. But what you just need to see here is that September 23, we touched this 1, right? And then November 9, we have came down. Oh, November 9, we touched the 7872 here, right? The 0. And then we had a crash. This is a big crash. This is a big crash to 0.32 or 382. Now look at this. November 9, we come down and we're touching the 0.382. We did the exact same thing. So what this would mean is that we're about to go insane. We are about to blast off according to this specific chart, right? We can see that November 9, it's now November 9th, or this was November 9th, and now we've basically crashed here in a little bit more candles, right? It's taken a little bit more time to get back down to this level. But dude, I'm thinking this might be accurate right here. All I want to see is like an 80K. That's all I want to see. And trust me, I will be exiting the market if we see 80K. 100%. So that's the Bitcoin analysis, dude. Just ride it out, man. Ride it out. Like, we can look at the moon cycles as well, right? We can look at the moon cycles and we see that is just coming in right on time. Right on time. Let's go to the daily. Right on time. Look, they printed the full moon. Okay, print the full moon at the bottom and print the full moon at the new moon at the top. Like, this is just for cross-reference, right? Don't ever base your investments on the moon, but just cross-reference with this and be like, okay, it's just one variable in your mind. Okay, full moon is coming. We should know this. Moving on to Enjin. Take a look at Enjin, up 17%. I called this coin at 40 cents, which was right here. 40 cents. I called Enjin. And we rode that train all the way up to $3, bro. $3. And now it's back there. So if you didn't take profit on that first run, you can take profit now. We can see on Enjin, we have this chart showing this wedge right here. And boom. Like, this was yesterday. So before this actually broke out, and now it is breaking out right here. So this was pretty accurate right there from Simon Hayes. Boom, we blasted off. That's a 6% candle and then a 5% candle in 8 hours. So pretty big right there. Hopefully this continues. I believe ultimately that Enjin is like a $15 coin. $10 to $15, bro. Easily, $10 to $15. We have this from Macro CRG saying, what if this was just a retest? I do believe that this was just a retest. For ETH, look at this. The August high right here, or the September high right there, and the April, May high right there. We can see this might just be a retest, right? Flip this resistance into support and just blast off, dude. Now, we have this chart from XRP Crypto Wolf. Whale transactions have been on the rise since July. A host of prominent spikes have been recorded on the chart as of late. So, to be honest, bro, XRP people always reach in right here. But this is true. Like, there is big prominent spikes from the whale transactions. Very interesting. What could be brewing for XRP? Hey, Jed McCaleb stopped selling his XRP. Why did he do that? Maybe because he knows just in a couple months the thing is going to blast off and he can sell his XRP at like $3 instead of selling it off at like 1. Like 1, because we're always just sitting at 109 on XRP. It's every day, dude. It is torture. It is torture holding this thing, man. Even Cardano went up and did like, I don't know, man, come on. It's going to happen, though. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. So, if you're worried about Quant, we've looked at the Quant chart before. Let's see what Market Cypher is saying about Quant. That would be pretty interesting. We did get a big short signal on the daily right there. That's pretty crazy. Let's see. Let's see if we zoom out a little bit to 6 hour. We had a short signal right here. Man, I got to start taking these. I just got to start YOLOing with a tiny bit of leverage just in case, because these red X's, like, dude, that's insane. Right there, printed that one. You could have even let this one go by and still been in big profit. Take a look at this reversal too. This happened perfectly. We're heading up, boom, down. This also printed reversal, boom, down. Crazy to me. And look, we're also getting a lot of yellow X's right there coming in for manipulation. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, all looks all looks pretty normal. Tons of short signals. Look at the 2 hour, dude. You have blood diamonds stacked on top of red X's. This means like heavy short. Heavy short again. Like so many. That's amazing right there. Wow. Okay. So, oh yeah, but if you're worried about Quant, take a look at this. The whales. This is the percentage of supply held by the top 1% addresses. We can see that that is increasing as the price goes down. And we can see their sell-off was right here. Look where my mouse is, right there on the screen. Right before the price dumped. So they took profit at like this level of 300 because they were just conservative. Like the whales always are pretty conservative. They're going to get out before the blow off top, and this had a sort of a blow off top here. Nagato says, we still haven't experienced euphoria. How the F could a bull run end when the emotion in the market is disbelief? Exactly. That comes back to the Wall Street cheat sheet, you know, with all the phases like panic and all that, and euphoria and disbelief, right? He's saying we're in the disbelief phase. Also, I should have pulled this up, but we have the fear and greed index. The next update is in 7 hours. We switched to fear from a 54. I watched this happen live because I feel like there's a lot of people sitting on this thing waiting for it to switch and see what it is, because a lot of people base their stuff off this, like buy when everybody's fearful, right? And sell when everybody's greedy. Or sorry, yeah. When others are fearful, be greedy, right? Man, I'm getting that confused. But look at this. Neutral yesterday, 54. We turned all the way to the 34. Where do you think we're going to go next on this? Leave it in the comments. Nice. More than 300,000 accounts. This is Hbar Tower. 300,000 accounts now have Hbar on their watch list. Just an interesting metric. This thing is gaining some attention there. Senator Cynthia Loomis says digital assets are here to stay, and responsible regulation that protects consumers from bad actors is important. However, we also have to make sure we aren't stifling innovation. Yeah, stifling innovation. That's exactly what y'all do. U.S. Senator from Wyoming. So she's from Wyoming. Hillary Clinton says cryptocurrencies can destabilize nations. What are your guys' thoughts on this? Look what she's saying. She says crypto is dangerous. One more area that I hope nation states start paying greater attention to is the rise of cryptocurrencies, because what looks like a very interesting and somewhat exotic effort to literally mine new coins in order to trade them has the potential for undermining currencies and undermining the role of the dollar as the reserve currency. Yes, that's what we're trying to do. Okay, you lizard lady? That's what we're trying to do, lizard lady. We're trying to undermine your death-based system. The debt and the death. The death-based system, dude. That's what we're trying to do. Why would I use your stupid US dollar when I can use my USDC and stake it for 9% and actually just get paid 9%? So there's my rant on Hillary right there. Let me know your thoughts. She's right, though. Like, she's correct. She is correct. Like, they were trying to undermine this system. Like, she's right here. Like, but she's just like, she's right. Like, this whole thing is correct. This is all correct. It's true. She's speaking the truth right here. But it's just funny because that's what we're trying to do. Okay. So that is all we've got. Make sure you follow the Twitter. Bitcoin, according to these charts, is right on track still and ready to blast, okay? I'm counting on the macro analysis just because of, I think that this is the last cycle where it's going to play out like almost perfectly, right? Almost perfectly, like historically, but it also might extend because I do believe in lengthening cycles and diminishing returns, specifically for Bitcoin. But that is all we've got. Make sure you follow on Instagram and Twitter, join the Telegram group, leave a like on the video, and goodbye.
Crawl.